Welcome back friends. And if in your Samsung mobile, if you are charging it here in this connector, when you are putting your pin and you are getting the message that unable to charge or moisture detected, then in that case what you need to do if there is any software issue. So watch this video till the end for complete solution. And if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So if you have just got that message, then put your cable inside that connector like that. And after putting that, I am not getting anything. Then what need to be done? Just switch off this phone and power off. Okay, power off. Now next time when I will switch on, just put that cable inside and then with the help of power off button and volume minus, just force restart and see it has come here. Okay, now it is charging. So power off and force restart, and now after some time it will restart and charging will be done. So I will come back when the phone will start. So now you can see that this phone is charging here. Okay, I will start it and now this phone is charging. Here you can see. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. But if you are still suffering, with that problem, then what you need to do, just you are after doing that your phone is not able to charge, just use blower here. Try to just dry that area and put your phone into the bowl of rice. After some time, take it out and just repeat step 1, means switch off your phone, then try to switch on by this volume minus key and power on button. Keep both buttons pressed simultaneously and then your problem will get solved. So if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.